The coronavirus pandemic has created a huge demand for trained professionals in healthcare and allied sectors, and they need to be trained in the shortest possible time. With lockdown, social distancing, and other preventive measures, the best way to train yourself is through online learning. But how do we ensure that the skill we learn and the knowledge we acquire is from a reliable source? To meet this requirement, Government of India has launched a digital portal called iGot to train and build the capacities of healthcare workers. They include doctors, nurses, paramedics, lab technicians, hygiene workers, among others. iGot stands for Integrated Government Online Training. Some of the courses available on the portal are Basics of COVID-19, Infection Prevention, Quarantine and Isolation. All these courses are available in English, and some of these courses are available in regional languages like Hindi, Bengali, Malayalam and others. The portal also provides training material and module available on any device including mobile phones, laptops and desktops. A master database of healthcare professionals and volunteers has also been made operational, which provides state and district-wise availability of human resources from various groups, which also contains contact details of nodal officers. Data regarding large pool of doctors including Ayush doctors, nurses, other healthcare professionals and volunteers has also been shared on the dashboard. This will help various state governments, district administration and municipal bodies to train the identified resource persons as per the job requirement through the portal on an urgent basis. The state governments and the union territories can also mobilize these human resources from one location to another as per their utilization. This is one of the innovative and timely steps taken by the Government of India to combat the coronavirus pandemic. Now let us watch a demo of how the portal works.
Now let me take you through the iGot portal. As you can see here, the press release from the Government of India talks about building capacity of frontline workers through online training and skill development for various roles in the healthcare sector and many other sectors. People who are corona warriors and who are fighting from the front. So this is a very useful portal and gives a lot of information. As you can see here, we go to the home page of the portal. It opens like this, and the portal and the content is available on the laptop as well as an Android app which can be downloaded. So when you explore courses, you'll get to see a lot of courses, and it also requires registration. When you look at the repository of content that's available here, you will be amazed to see that there is a lot of content under various roles. For example, you have content for the paramedics, for the doctors, nurses and so on and so forth. Now just to show you one of the courses that's available, see, there is a course called ICU Care and Ventilation Management. You can come here, watch the video, join the training, and I think when the training is over, perhaps the video would be still available. Now I will show you one more video course or video presentation which pertains to FAQs on psychological care during COVID-19, and you can just start playing this.
I would like to mention the question first. What is stigma? You see, stigma can be two types. One is the self-stigma and one is the stigma from others. So the self-stigma will be that you feel that.
So I just wanted to show you this. There are experts who are explaining many things about the topic, and this is authentic and reliable information for us to depend on. Similarly, there is one more for the role of nurse in maintaining psychological health in patients. So when I click this here, this video presentation again talks of the role of nurse, and the expert is again giving her presentation
related to psychosocial issues in community and hospital settings.
So there is a lot of content of this type which can be used, And now let's come back to the resources page where resources are listed for various roles like doctors, nurses, volunteers, hygiene workers, and so on. And let's assume you click nurses here, and then it goes to a page like this where a whole lot of topics are listed. And then you can further keep going to the next topics under each one of these pages. So that's it from iGot portal. We tried to give you a very high level view of how the portal is designed and what content is available. And I also wish to inform you that we have done this just to give you a high level view, and this is not any expert advice or anything that's being given during these times.